Hello students, today I am going to teach you English subject Standard 3, poem number 2 and poem name is Hopping Frog. So, at first we read this poem. Hopping frog, hop here and be seen. I will not pelt you with stick or stone. Your cap is laced and your coat is green. Goodbye, we will let each other alone. Plodding toad, fold here and be looked at. You, the finger of scorn is crooked at. But though you are lumpish, you are harmless too. You won't hurt me and I won't hurt you. Read this poem one time again, okay? Hopping frog, hop here and be seen. I will not pelt you with stick or stone. Your cap is laced and your coat is green. Goodbye, we will let each other alone. Plodding toad, plod here and be looked at. You, the finger of scorn is crooked at. But though you are lumpish, you are harmless too. You won't hurt me and I won't hurt you. So, who wrote this poem? The poet name is Christina Rossetti. Now, before the explanation of this poem, I give you some information about frogs. So, frogs are small animals that can jump very well. Frogs are similar to toads. However, a frog has smooth skin and long legs. A toad has rough skin and shorter legs. Frogs are found throughout the world except in very cold places. They are most common in rain forests. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they can live in water और on land. वो water में भी रह सकते हैं और land पे भी रह सकते हैं. Most frogs spend most of their lives in water. Some live in underground holes or in trees. Now, I explain this poem. So, a girl, poem में क्या है? A girl can see a hopping frog which was hopping there and can be seen. The girl will not throw anything. Girl जो है वो फ्रॉग के ऊपर कुछ भी फेंकती नहीं है या फिर स्टिक से नहीं मार रही है. Like a stick or stone on the frog. That now she is explaining us that how frog looks like. वो हमें कहती कि फ्रॉग कैसा दिखता है. She says his cap is decorated with a lace. His cap is decorated with lace. And his coat is green. उसका कोट कैसा है? Green है. Then the girl is left the frog alone and said goodbye. The girl said that toad is taking very big and heavy steps and said going that you should walk here so I can see you people point you saying worthless, but you are rough and without shape. फ्रॉग को कहती है तू रफ है और विदाउट शेप है. सो यू आर हार्मलेस टू. एंड द गर्ल इज सेइंग टू फ्रॉग that you won't hurt me and I won't hurt you. मीन्स तू मुझे हर्ट नहीं करता और मैं तुझे हर्ट नहीं करती. सो कंप्लीट दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन. देन आफ्टर हार्ड वर्ड्स. सो रीड विथ मी. HOPPING hopping. PLODDING plodding. CROOKED crooked. LUMPISH lumpish. HARMLESS harmless. THOUGH means though. Now meanings of the words. Hopping. Hopping means jumping on 2 feet at the same time. Pilled means throw. Laced means decorated with lace that is a fabric with open patterns. Let each other alone means not disturb each other. एक दूसरे को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. प्लोडिंग मीन्स वॉकिंग विथ हैवी स्टेप्स. क्रूक्ड मीन्स बेंड. लम्पिश मीन्स रफ एंड विदाउट शेप. स्कॉर्न मीन्स फीलिंग दैट समवन इज वर्थलेस. You, the finger of scorn is crooked at means people point at you saying you are worthless. Though, so complete your poem. So I hope you understand this poem.